Hi, Roscont. I'm Andre Arco, better known as Indirect on the internet things. I've been on the Bundler team for 10 years, and I founded Ruby Together to make sure that RubyGems.org, Bundler, and other Ruby open source infrastructure that everyone depends on stays maintained and operational. Since 2015, when Ruby Together started, we've accomplished a lot. 99.9% uptime for RubyGems.org, zero major outages, shipped Bundler inside Ruby itself via collaboration with Ruby Core. We've released several major versions, 24 minor versions, and 167 bug fix releases of RubyGems and Bundler. We've also merged Bundler and RubyGems together into a single repository and GitHub organization, and we're continuing to make them work better together over time. We also launched stats.rubygems.org to show the community who is using RubyGems, what versions of Ruby they're using, what CI systems they're using, what versions of RubyGems they're using, and what platforms they're running on. We've also funded development work on other Ruby open source projects like the Ruby Toolbox, Gemstash, SimpleCove, BridgeTroll. Finally, we've created a program to pay experienced developers and developers who are just getting started to practice pairing and open source development together called RubyMe. All of our work is 100% funded by individual developers like you and companies that depend on Ruby for their business. More funding means that we pay more open source developers, fund more Ruby open source projects, and run more rounds of RubyMe with more participants. Join Ruby Together as a member today and help us improve the Ruby ecosystem and community for everyone. Our website is rubytogether.org.